Hi, welcome to North London Allotment, early on a Sunday morning. So I thought today I would go into some of the measures we're all using to keep ourselves safe and to keep the allotments open. So first of all, there's someone coming out, you'll notice I'm having to walk a bit further because the car park to the park is closed to discourage people from driving to the park, even though now they've said you can drive to exercise as long as your drive does not exceed the time you spend exercising. So I have to park on the road and just walk over. I can normally find somewhere quite close to park, and sometimes I run or sometimes I walk, but if I've got a heavy bag like I do today, I do drive. Okay, and I'm going to show you how I open the gate. Now there's no way I can do this and film it because it's really quite a struggle with one hand anyway, but I have one glove which I keep turned inside out, and that's the glove that I touch the lock and the gate with. Using my other hand I use the key, and then inside when I've closed the gate I take the glove off, turn it back inside out, and it's my glove opening. It's my gate opening glove. It's just a courtesy to other people, really. Okay. So this is our compound, including rotavators and lawnmowers for hire and a shop. That's actually closed now because we can't share equipment. So it's all closed, the shop's not open, and you cannot hire equipment. The other thing we have to do is stay on our own plot. Now we're really lucky, you can see this main path. There are 3 of them going down the site. They are really wide, so either someone just steps onto their plot or you stick at like extreme ends of the path. People do say hello and pass the time of day, but the 2 metre rule plus is always observed. And I have to say, the plots are looking really good. People have just had more time to spend on them. There's one there that's got soil I can only dream of. And what else do we do? Oh, the water's been turned on early, so that wouldn't normally go on until next month. And that's so we can wash our hands. So everyone has a bar of soap, and you use the the tap that doesn't go into the trough. So you use the tap that goes directly onto the floor to wash your hands. And that's when you arrive and when you leave, and I'm really jealous. The soil on these plots looks amazing. I'll just show you some of them. Look at that. I can only dream of my soil looking that good. We have had rain though. Wasn't predicted, so hopefully that will have done some softening up for me. Here we go, it's my plot. I can already see some potatoes out. Actually, I'm lying, I don't think that's a potato, I think that's a weed. On closer inspection, it doesn't look like a potato leaf. I'll sort him out in a minute. But yeah, some of the earlies have been coming out, the epicure, the swift. And I did have a weed of this the other day, so bits of grass. And I'm having to be very, very vigilant for bindweed at the moment. The mare's tail is coming up, but that's not a problem to pull when it's bigger. The bindweed you want to get when it's young. And it's still standing. Woohoo! Look! There it is. And what I did, I think it was Ronald Shaw from Car Park Growing Area, great YouTube channel, which has been really helpful. He has given such good advice, and his videos are always full of really good advice. He said, I'll have to open it, show you properly, and it sticks, so hold on. So Ronald's advice was to fasten a piece of string from the top. So I've done it from here to here. Wow, condensation inside here. And I've centralised it. I've wrapped it around these poles, and all the way down here at the bottom I knotted it around a peg and shoved the peg through, and I have to say it is really rather sturdy. So I'm not sure. Thank you very much. That was a genius tip. So this is my soap. I leave it in the shed because it's always there. Always got it then. And what they've asked is just when you arrive at site, wash your hands. When you leave the site, wash your hands. And obviously we all know how very, very important soap is at the moment. So this is the tap. We use this one. And what I normally do when I wash my hands, I normally give the tap a bit of a clean as well. So there we go. I'm all ready to start the day. I'm going to put my soap back in the shed. And as the earth looks a little bit damp, I think today is going to be mainly a digging day. I won't bore you with that. I will stay safe, stay well, and keep gardening. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.